doing some dirt work earlier. I was waiting to go look at a job. Job fell through. Well, it did fall through, but I got postponed to look at it till tomorrow. And my buddy Tom called and he said his guys got their skid steer, their mini skid got stuck. And then the track fell off all the times. Well, it turns out the track idler, one of the bearings broke. And then they were trying to maneuver it out of the mud hole and got it further in the mud hole. So we're going to put up a prayer that we can snatch block and winch this sucker out. Get the dually hips down in here. So there it is down at the bottom. Glad they got this organized down in here already though. I think it's kind of a fingers crossed, but it's a lot easier than bringing a whole nother machine down. Oh, no kidding. Truck just went into retard mode.
Some kind of contractor. Yeah, he's got a little camper up over there. Pretty nifty. I think he owns a couple businesses. Something like that.
You want to try put something underneath that thing?
Yeah.
You got that.
Maybe stick the long one.
Yeah.
First. Yeah. That was a rock that was made here. Yeah, ideally it would be right here. On this one.
Like where the winch is at?
No, this whole machine right on this would be great.
We could strap to that tree. Think about that. You got a strap?
Yeah. Wouldn't that kind of put it?
I think it's in there. Well, let's just see what it does.
Let's just try this.
Yeah. How do we do that? Chain twisted?
Maybe.
Go easy on your, let me pull on it, because the other side's rolling all right. like we're... You sure? We can go a little bit more. Okay. Okay. Alright, you got the parking brake back on?
Well, maybe it'd be better to have the jack in the dirt so it's not kind of rolled out on the highway.
You can always put the this board under it.
I should roll until the parking brake comes out.
The other side's stuck, but this side's not, because that track's not hooked or nothing. Here, put the grapple down. How about that? That's the guaranteed part.
Yeah.
Yeah. Third time I use this winch.
Yeah, what's that one made for? Like 15? Oh, well.
That's Harbor Freight unit.
I think it's a breeze for this. And you double your power and this thing only weighs 5,000-ish.
Yeah, well, getting stuck in the mud, that's just
right, that's suction and...
Yeah. That's what he's like, yeah, they're stuck in the mud. I was like, oh, Christ.
Yeah, hop back into the beach.
Yeah, no problem, man.
We made it from a terrible situation to like almost a garage floor.
Yeah, I know, right? Hey,
this is great.
Luxury now.
Yeah, okay. Now I have to get my knees all muddy.
Jeez. Can you imagine trying to work it down there?
Oh, yeah. Awful. I said that we had it over here and I was trying to spin it and I made it worse.
Yeah.
And
you know. Well, that went extremely smooth. Now let's not get messed up trying to get out of here. Went from a bad situation to a somewhat better situation, and then my truck went into throw fit mode, which is the ECM ground gets interference and it doesn't ground. Yeah, not an ideal spot. We're doing all kinds of tree work in here. Good for them. Look at this little goat trail. I had to try to now a dually through here. Okay. This guy, his crew, Tom, he's the guy I've been hauling the TL12 for. He's been having a sub on a lot of jobs. He watches some of my videos every once in a while. It's literally 7 minutes from the house, 30 minutes. I'm going to be back. That, I mean, it went as textbook as it could, except for the truck throwing that limp mode thing. But other than that, we're golden. Oh, there it's doing it again. We'll just limp on out of here. Oh, now it came back. Whatever that is about. I said textbook, now the truck's going to want to die. But we'll see you guys in the next one. I'm going to tell Tom, don't even worry about paying me on that one. You might have to buy me a new truck, though. Gosh dang it, I can't believe that this thing did that. See, look, it's bouncing it in and out. Huh. That ECM ground, man. Culprit. Came back and got me. Well, I just disconnected and reconnected the ECM ground and go back to the house. I haven't had that happen for a while. You guys remember the video I did on this truck when I had that shut me down? I think I would have limped it home if I would have been on my own, but it's literally, you lose pedal pretty much. So you won't have any throttle or nothing. So if you have to cross an intersection or something like that, or jump out in traffic, you know, and take off, it'd be sketchy with family in there. But anyway, we got that taken care of. I got some other stuff I need to go deal with. But I love it when a plan comes together. Holy jeez. I don't experience that very often. Well, yeah, we got a little hiccup, but I mean, legit, like the winch and pulley system in the situation to allow access for a truck to get in there. Because I was thinking, wow, what are we going to put get a truck down there? Can we get a tractor down there? What can we do? Because they're running a mini skid. Tight access? Nope. We got more access than we really needed. Worked out perfect. Thank you guys for watching.